Good morning, friends. Welcome back to Love Always Angie. If you're new here, welcome. I'm really glad you're here. Today, we are tackling the laundry room. I don't know if I can reach the top bins without Phil home, but we'll try. But we're going to work on this massive mess of laundry, which I really don't ever let pile up like this. And cleaning the machines, that's the focus. But before I can do that, I have to work on this mess so I actually have some place to put the clean clothes. So let's get started. I'm embarrassed to admit, but I started the laundry and then I walked away from it and didn't do it for several days. So these clothes have been sitting in the washer for at least 3 days, and I don't like to leave them in the washer like that and then just put them back in the dryer. I want to rewash them. I love the smell of Gain. It's probably the only laundry detergent that doesn't upset me or cause a migraine, that has a good smell to it. So I like that. So I'm going to rewash those clothes, and then I'm going to make the bed so I can put the clean clothes on the bed and fold and hang them up all at once rather than do it load by load by load.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you.
It's surprising to me how dirty the washer and dryer can get, but it gets sticky from the laundry soap and from all the things we just toss up on there, and it's covered in dust and it's covered in lint. So I'm going to get it all cleaned off, but I should have dry dusted it before I use the Glass Plus, because by putting the Glass Plus on there, as you're going to see in a moment, what I did was really create mud. So if you haven't done this in a while, take a Swiffer or take a cloth that's going to collect that dust and not just spread it around the house, and dry dust that before you use the liquid cleaner, because then you avoid the mud that I just made. And look at all that gross stuff just on the dryer on one pass. That's nasty.
Ooh, I still dream of you.
Do you guys use Dawn dish soap in your laundry? If we have particular greasy laundry, like if we've been working on equipment or if we have spilled on our clothes, I'll squirt them with Dawn dish soap, or I'll actually squirt the dish soap straight into the wash machine, and it helps get all those stains out.
But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go.
So fun fact about sorting your laundry: when I sorted my laundry, I discovered that really the only colors we wear are white, gray, navy blue, and peach.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life.
This is the lovey that the Grandorables sleep with when they come over, so he has to have a spot of honor.
Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up.
So now we've got the laundry room cleaned up and all the cleaning supplies put back on the door that hangs on the back of the door. Those styrofoam things are like, they're pool noodle type things that keep the door from ramming into the wall. But you guys, the laundry room's tidy, but look at this mountain of laundry that I still have to work through. Oh my goodness, why did I let it go for so long?
Wide awake and I'm just scared away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. I gave up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. And I'm looking for your attention. Looking for your attention. Looking for your attention. Oh yeah, I'm looking for your attention. Did you ever stop and think why spend too much time just
So the laundry room is clean. No dirty laundry. Machines are emptied. They're cleaned off. Whoops, sorry about my thumb there. The shelves are tidy. I took the blankets that didn't really fit up there. I took them down, cleaned up what was left there. And I brought those blankets in here on the top shelf of the craft closet because those are the blankets the Grandorables use when they sleep over. They like to put them on the floor for padding, so that way they're more accessible for them. And the other laundry soap is holding the door open. But as you can see, all the laundry is done, cleaned up, and put away. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Thanks for stopping by. We'll talk soon.